Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And I do all kinds of videos. I do hauls from stores, from Thrift Stop, Goodwill, Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx. And one of the things I really like doing are mystery boxes because, of course, most of the things that come here, I don't really know what's in them anyway. But, but the real mystery ones I really like to do. So today I've got, this one's heavy. Big and heavy. My Stay Regular monthly mystery box. It's the monthly edition of the big size. So let's open that up and see what goodies. I've been getting stuff together, haul off to my thrift store, and when I don't want to take to the thrift store, I take down to Goodwill. I take the premium stuff, like most brand new things, to the thrift store. Goodness. Okay. Well, what is this? It's a gift set. You see the glare on this side of it. It's a Dunder Mifflin ink paper company, and this is a little journal. It looks like a little notepad, or you can write notes to yourself. And a pen. It says on here it's got a journal that is 8x5. Also must be a journal back under there too. A pocket journal. Sticky memo pad. And 5 sticky bookmarks. Oh, that's these here, I guess. That's kind of nice, huh? Gift set. What is this? Retinol eye makeup remover pads from Spa Scription. So that is a good brand. I don't use retinol. It says it gently, easily removes all makeup, dirt, oil, and must. And most waterproof mascaras. Okay. So that I know will be going in a giveaway, more than likely to Carly's Girls. So, oops. The Nobleman men's deodorant wipes with aloe vera. Wipe away odor and sweat. No alcohol. Fresh scent. 50 wipes. I don't know, Bob would use these. He's, oh, my fingers. He's a guy's guy. He's a guy. He doesn't, I'll ask him. If not, it'll be going in a giveaway. Not to Carly's Girls either. Okay, what is this? Kind of a peak beverage, fresh and nutritious. It's a Fresh and Go smoothie juice tumbler. This is a heavy thing. How does that work? Okay, it looks like it prolongs nutrient conservation. It slows oxidation. Stainless steel vacuum insulated built-in air pump. Stays chilled 12 hours. So you see this thing here? I guess. Anyway, I wouldn't have any reason to use this, so this can go in a giveaway. So far, 1 keep, 3 giving away. What's this? Smithsonian Apollo 11 helmet. It's a sculptured ceramic mug. It's a 20-ounce mug. Oh, here, that side's better. I wonder if my grandson would like that. He is so into space and all that kind of stuff. Sculpted ceramic mug, 20 Apollo. Okay, and on the other side of it, it says Apollo 11. That's One Small Step for Man, One Giant Leap for Mankind, July 16 to 24 of 69. You know, Vago might like this because I was very pregnant with his daddy when they first stepped on the moon. And he was born then on September 3rd. So it was about a week and a half later, my son was born. And then his son, Vago, was born on the same day, September 3rd. So, yeah, I'll save that for Vago. So that's 2. Now the last item, some kind of a chill bag. Milwaukee? I don't know. Don't have any Milwaukee teams in the root for. I don't know what this is. What's it say? Milwaukee MX Fuel Equipment Redefined Trade Focus System Wide. Oh, I see. It's actually equipment. A lot of yard equipment, tools, things like that. But I wonder what this is. If it's, thank you, immense levels of performance. I mean, not all the tools they got that they have. They show in here what the bag is. It looks to me like, oh man, look at all this. Where's the bags? I want to see what they call the bag. It looks like something you could put tools in, though, to transport them. Well, I don't see anything. I think it's just a bag that they normally maybe put the equipment in that you buy or something. So I'm going to see if Bob wants it. He might be using a motorhome, put some of his tools in. I don't know. It doesn't say anything on here what it is. Oh, see, it looks like it. I mean, they've got owner's manuals here for multi-voltage chargers. Oh, he might be used for our charger. And there's one that's for drills. So, yeah. So that's three items I'm keeping. Pretty good. Like I say, these two, more than this, definitely go into Carly's girls. But this one might go in a regular giveaway. Let's put this over there. There. So, that everything. Okay. I think the box was definitely worth it. I think I paid $24.99 for this size box. When I edit the video, I'll put the price on there, though. So tell me what you think. What do you think of the ingredients and the products this time? Comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a terrific day. I love you. Excuse me, I'm such a pig. Bye.